An automatic watch is a marvel of engineering, powered by your movements. Unlike manual watches, which need daily winding, automatic watches use a rotor inside the mechanism to charge the spring as you wear it. But how do you wind it when it's stopped? Let's break it down. Step 1. Start by removing your watch. Never wind it while wearing it. Movements during winding can confuse the mechanism. Step 2. Wind the crown 30 times in a clockwise motion. If your watch has a screwed down crown, begin by unscrewing it counterclockwise until it pops out. Then, wind it 30 times clockwise. Step 3. If your watch has a screwed down crown, press it back into position and screw it clockwise until it locks securely. This ensures water resistance and keeps your watch safe. Finally, wear your watch daily. Your movements throughout the day will keep it powered and performing at its best. For those times you're not wearing it, consider a watch winder, which we have available at JD Watches. This precision tool keeps your watch ticking, ensuring it's always ready when you are. Keep your automatic watch in perfect condition with these simple steps. For more tips and expert advice, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.